I'm Mark Angelo. I worked at BCIT for 37 years. I was the longtime program head of the Fish and Wildlife program. I also went on to be the founder and chair of both BC and World Rivers Day. I was very honored to work at BCIT. I'm the author of the book River Magic: Tales from a Life on 1,000 Rivers. It's a book that I'm quite excited about. I feel very fortunate to have seen so much of the world through the lens of rivers. And the book River Magic takes the reader on a multi-decade global journey to rivers around the world. It chronicles a lot of the on-river encounters I had with amazing animals, with big fish, with unique cultures, and of course, wild rivers. It's a collection of short stories. It has very much a conservation underpinning, and I've written it for a very broad audience in the hope that readers both young and old will not only learn more about the allure, the magic, the value of rivers, but also the importance of properly caring for them. I'm often asked, what does the term river magic mean? How did you come up with that title? The term river magic really is a term I've long used as a way of describing how a river can make you feel. It harkens back to when I was a boy and my love of magic, and whenever I'd see a great magician perform, I'd have this great sense of awe, of joy, of wonderment. Well, being on a river with all of its sounds, its movement, its life, makes me feel the very same way. So I hope people enjoy the book. It's, I think, a fun and exciting read, but also an educational one. And if it increases awareness not only of the importance of our rivers, but the need to better care for them, then it will have met its objective.